Let's take a look at the new case-preserving find and replace in Visual Studio. I want to rename the string person with the string animal in this file. So I'm going to open the Quick Replace dialog hitting Ctrl-H. Here I'll click the new AB button to preserve the case, and then click Replace All. This replaced all person with animal, and notice how the casing was preserved. This works in Replace in Files as well. Just remember to check the Preserve Case checkbox, and then hit Replace All. The strings were replaced and casing preserved. If you found this video helpful, and you would like to see more of the same type of content in the future, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel down below. Happy coding!